mathematics home learning video session that I will be doing with you today. And guess what? We are still doing about measurement and about length. Now, in order to measure something, we need a ruler, don't we? We know that now. And a ruler can measure in centimetres or millimetres. Just to recap what length actually means, length is how long an object is. And you can think of it as fish fingers or McDonald's chips, who's got the longest chip. Whatever way that you can remember it, that's absolutely fine. You remember it how you want to. Again, when we look at measurement, we always remember our ruler rules, and we can always write centimetres with cm instead of writing this very long word there. Remembering our ruler rules, we always start at 0 centimetres, not the start of the ruler or the end of the ruler, and we always use the bigger numbers first to discover those centimetres, and if it's a little bit longer, then we can always count those millimetres after, using our points to show that it's a little bit longer than our number in centimetres. So today, please watch and continue to watch if you have not got this sheet, because it is still a recap of yesterday. So if you've got this sheet today, you're going to use your ruler to measure and draw lines to these lengths. So I've given you a length. So if my first length is 4 centimetres, not 4 millimetres, 4 centimetres. So I'm going to remember my ruler rules, and I'm going to start at 0 and draw until 4 centimetres. So 1, 2, 3, 4 centimetres. That's 4 centimetres. I'm then going to go to my next one, which is 9 centimetres. So I'm still going to start at 0, and I'm going to draw all the way to 9 centimetres. Okay, if you really want to, you can use the ruler to double check and have a look. Have I used my ruler rules? Started from 0 centimetres, and I've used my big numbers first. I haven't got a point or any millimetres to add on, so I know it's just completely and clearly just the centimetres that I need to be looking at and measuring against. So if you've got this sheet for Thursday in your pack, that's what you're going to be doing today. And I'll see you tomorrow, but you can stop the video now. But if you have not got that sheet for today, you will be doing this one. So let me just pop it over onto my visualiser. So this is for Thursday. Now what we're doing is you're going to see if you can use your knowledge of measurement to compare lengths. Now, I've tried to put it a little bit more tricky so that you can use your knowledge. What you have to do is match the measurement to the object. So you're going to compare these lengths and you're going to measure them so that you can match up the correct length with the correct measurement here. So if you have a look at this, it's a calculator. It started at 0 and it's gone 1, 2 centimetres. So I would draw a line. You could use a ruler if you wanted to, or I can draw it around. So this would be there. That object is 2 centimetres. And I can have a look, I can double check that this starts at 0, so that's really, really perfect and accurate. And it does stop at 5 centimetres. If you still need to draw those lines to make it clear, please do. So this one is 5 centimetres. I would like you to do that for these two questions and this question. However, this question at the bottom is asking you some more specific questions instead. So it says the twig measures centimetres. And this is where you need to use your measurement skills to see how long that twig measures. Do the same for the leaf. And then you need to fill in these blanks. The is longer than the So which object object is longer, that's what you're going to put in the first line. And whatever object is shorter, the shortest, it's not got a lot of centimetres in its measurement, in its length, that's going to go onto the second line. So we're really trying to use our knowledge of measurement now, and knowledge of length and rulers and centimetres, all these really tricky things that you're learning, we're going to try and use our knowledge of them today. Again, it's very tricky, some of you might find this difficult, that's absolutely fine. But again, take your time with it, take it slow, and I hope you have fun. I will see you tomorrow.